Living with smart devices isn't the same as living in a smart home. That's why you want a smart home operating system. A smart home operating system, or OS, connects all the devices in your home so they can be controlled together or separately from one place. So instead of having your phone operate a single function, like a wireless speaker, you can trigger entire scenes. A morning scene that turns on the news and opens window shades to bring in the light of a new day. Or maybe a good night scene that turns off every light, adjusts the thermostat, and locks the doors with the touch of a button. Individual apps just won't cut it. You need total control of your environment. A touchscreen that allows you to answer your front door as you're still getting ready. A voice command that turns on lights as you walk into a room. Or a remote that locks the doors and fires up the TV in time for movie night. With the Smart Home OS, you'll be able to use the devices you already love and use. Have an automated lock you love? Don't want to replace your ceiling fans? Love your big screen TV? You won't have to change your home to make it smart. Typically, more devices means more troubleshooting. But if they're managed by Smart Home Pro, you'll enjoy an orchestrated experience. Smart Home Pros are armed with years of experience and training to create the connected home of your dreams, even as your needs and desires change. And you can be sure that you are protected. After all, a safe home is a smart home. Experience how convenient and enjoyable it is to live with a Smart Home OS. Contact a Control4 Smart Home professional today.